On this 2019 TLX, I'll show you guys how to remove the front reinforcement bar. Bunch of 12s, long extension. If you go through here, there's a 12. These 12s are all color-coded black, so you're gonna give an idea. It's got a 10 on it. Through here, there's one, and then you got one here, one here, one here, and then there's one at the bottom. Okay, so it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on each side. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It won't fall. It's got little legs that hold it. And you just lift up and pull out. Lift up and pull out. This is the rebar.